All right, number 9 asks us to evaluate this limit. The limit is x approaches negative infinity of x to the 5th minus 8x squared divided by 4x to the 5th plus 3x. So whenever we're taking the limit off to infinity or to negative infinity, and we've got polynomials here, or a rational function made up of a polynomial function on the top and on the bottom. Notice that if we plugged in a big number here, plug in a million or negative a million, either way. If you plug that in, a million squared is a trillion. And that's a big number, but it's nowhere near as big as a million to the 5th power. I don't even know what that is, but it's big. And so when we're going off to infinity or negative infinity, if you're going to a number, this doesn't work. But if you're going off to infinity or to negative infinity, we can just ignore everything except the term with the largest exponent, because that number is getting so much bigger, so much faster than everything else, that everything else just becomes irrelevant. So now let's evaluate this at this point. Notice that the x to the 5th and the x to the 5th, those are going to divide to 1. And so this is just going to be 1 divided by 4. And that's the answer. As this gets closer to either positive infinity or negative infinity, this whole thing is going to get closer and closer to 1/4.